Here we go. Tam O'Shanter, a tale. As chapman billies leave the street and drouthy neighbours meet, as market days are wearing late and folk begin to tak the gate, as we sit boozing at the nappy and getting fou and unca happy, with thinkna of the lang Scots miles, the mosses, water slaps and stiles that lie atween us in our hame, for sits our sulky, sullen dame, gathering her brows like gathering storms, and nursing her wrath to keep it warm. This truth found honest Tam O'Shanter, as he for e'er ae nicht did canter, auld e'er wham near a town surpasses, for honest men and bonny lasses. Ah, Tam, hadst thou but been so wise, thine teen thy ain wife Kate's advice, she tilt the wheel, thou was a skellum, a blethering, blustering, drunken blellum, that fae November till October, a market nicht, thou wasna sober, that ilky melder wi' the miller thou drank as long as thou had siller, that ilky nag was caught a shoe on, the smith and thee get roaring fou on. That in the Lord's house, even on Sunday, thou drank wi' Captain Jean till Monday, she prophesied that later soon thou would be found deep drowned in Doon, or catched by warlocks in the mirk by Alloway's auld haunted kirk. Ah, gentle dames, it gars me greet to think how mony counsel sweet, how mony lenten sage advices the husband for the wife despises. But to my tale. A market nicht Tam had got planted unca recht, fast by an ingle blazing finely, where reeman swats that drank divinely. At his elbow, Souter Johnny, his ancient trusty drouthy crony, Tam looed him like a very brother. They had been fou for weeks agither. The night drave on with songs and clatter, and aye the ale was getting better. The landlady and Tam grew gracious, with favours secret, sweet and precious. The suitor toldest queerest stories, the landlord's lach was ready chorus. The storm without might rear and rustle, Tam didna mind the storm a whistle. Care, mad to see a man so happy, e'en droont himsel among the nappy. His bees flee hame with lades of treasure, the minutes winged their way with pleasure. Kings might be blessed, but Tam was glorious, how are the ills of life victorious. But pleasures are like the poppies spread, ye seize the flower, the bloom is shed, or like the snowfall in the river, a moment white, then melts forever. Or like the borealis race that flit ere you can point their place, or like the rainbow's lovely form, vanishing amidst the storm. Nae man can tether time nor tide, the hour approaches, Tam maun ride. That hour o' nicht's black erch the keysteen, that dreary hour he mounts his beast in, and sic a nicht he taks the road in, as nae peer sinner was abroad in. The wind blew as 'twould blaw its last, the rattling showers rose on the blast, the speedy gleams the darkness swallowed, loud, deep, and lang the thunder bellowed. That night a child might understand. The deil had business on his hand. Wheel mounted on his grey mare Meg, a better never lifted leg, Tam skelpit on through dub and mire, despising wind and rain and fire, whiles holding fast his weed blue bonnet, whiles crooning ower an auld Scots sonnet, whiles glowering round with prudent care, lest bogles catch him unawares. Kirk Alloway was drawing nigh, where guests and hoolits nightly cry. By now Tam had crossed the ford, where in the snaw the chapman smored, and past the birks and Mucklesteen for drunken Charlie Brack's neck been, and through the whins and by the cairn for hunters found the murdered bairn, and near the thorn a been the well, for Mungo's mother hanged hersel. Before him, Doon, pours his floods. The doubling storm roars through the woods, the lightnings flash from pole to pole, near and more near the thunders roll, when glimmering through the groaning trees, Kirkalloway seemed in a blaze. Through ilka board the beams were glancing, and loud resounded mirth and dancing. Inspiring bold John Barleycorn, what dangers thou canst make us scorn, with tipney bit, with fear nae evil. Wi' you scabbay would face the devil, the swats serened in Tammy's noddle. Fair play, ye cared na deal a boddle. But Maggie stood, recht fair astonished, till by the hand and heel admonished, she ventured forward on the licht, and wow, Tam saw an unca sicht. Warlocks and witches in a dance. Nae cotillions brent new fae France, but hornpipes, jigs, strathspeys and reels put life and metal in their heels. A winnock bunker in the east, and there sat Auld Nick in shape a beast, a towsy tyke, black, grim and large, to give him music was his charge, and he screwed the pipes and garred them skirl, till roof and rafter I did dirl. Coffins stood round like open presses, and showed the deed in their last dresses, and which by some devilish cantrip slicht, each in his caul hand held a licht, by which heroic Tam was able to note upon the holy table. A murderer's beans and gibbet irons, twa span lang wee uncrescent bairns, a thief new cutted fae the rape, wi' his last gasp his garb did gape. 5 tomahawks wi' blood reed rusted, 5 scimitars wi' murder crusted, a garter that this babe had strangled, a knife a feather's throat had mangled, his ain son no life bereft, the grey hairs yet stuck to the heft, and mair which baith horrible enough, of which even to tell would be unlawful. Now, as Tammy glowered, amazed and curious, the mirth and fun grew fast and furious. The piper loud and louder blew, the dancers quick and quicker flew. They reeled, they set, they crossed, they cleekit, till ilka carlin swat and reekit, and cushed her duties to the work, and linkit at it in her sark. Now, had they been queens, plump and strapping in their teens, their sarks instead of creasy flannin been snaw white 1700 linen, the bricks o' mine, my only pair, which ance were plush and gweed blue hair, I would ha' gi'en them off my hurdies for a blink of the bonny birdies. But withered beldams, auld and droll, ringwoody hags twould speen a foe, a loupin' and flinging on a crummock. It's a wonder it didna turn thy stomach. But Tommy kent whit was whit fu brawly. There was ae winsome wench in Wally, that night enlisted in the corps, long after Kent on Carrick shore, for mony a beast to deed she shot, and perished mony a bonny boat, and shook baith mickle corn and beer, and kept the countryside in fear. Her cutty sark o' Paisley harm, that while a lassie she had worn, and long to chewed, though sorely scanty, it was her best, and she was vaunty. Aye, little kent thy reverend granny, that sark she coofed for her wee nanny, with £12 Scots was a' her riches, would ever grace a dance o' witches. Now hear my news her wing mun cower, sick flights are far beyond her power, to sing how Nanny, lap and flang, she was a supple jade and strong, and how Tam stood and looked like een bewitched, and thought he's very een enriched. Even Satan glowered, and forged fu fain, and hodged and blew wi' might and main, till first he caper, sign another, Tam tint his reason a' and shouts out, "Weel done, cutty sark!" And in an instant all was dark, and scarcely had Tam Maggie rallied, fen out the hellish legion sallied. His bees buzz out wi' angry fyke when plundering herds assail her bike, as open pussy's mortal foes when pop she starts before their nose, as eager runs the market crowd when "Catch the thief!" resounds aloud. So Maggie runs, the witches follow, wi' Murray and Eldrich screech and hollow. Ah, Tam, now they'll get thy faring, in hell they'll roast ye like a herring. In vain thy Kate awaits thy coming, Kate soon will be a wolf a woman. Now, do thy speedy utmost, Meg, and win the keystone of the brig. There at them thy tail may toss, a running stream they darena cross. But ere the keystone she could make, and faint the tail she had to shake, for Nanny, far before the rest, hard on noble Maggie pressed, and she flew at Tam with furious ettle. But little was she Maggie's mettle, for ae spring brought off her master hail, but left a hin her ain grey tail. The carlin clouched her by the rump, and left puir Maggie scarce a stump. Now, whan this tale of truth may read, each man and mother's son take heed. If to drink ye are inclined, or cutty sarks run in your mind, think ye may buy the joys ower dear. Remember Tam o' Shanter's mare. Good night.